Hello students, good morning. In last episode we have discussed about the electrical properties of the solid, but today we are going to learn about the magnetic properties of the solid. You know that the solid possesses both electrical and magnetic properties due to the presence of electron in an atom. Okay? Magnetic properties. The magnetic properties arises due to the presence of electrons. And these type of electrons are associated with the magnetic moments. Okay, they are associated with the magnetic moment which are arising from the two sources. The sources are one magnetic moment due to orbital motion of electrons around the nucleus, and the magnetic moment is due to the movement of the spin of, you can say, the spin of electrons on its own axis. Means the electron can revolve around the nucleus and the electrons can revolve at its own axis. Okay. Then we will discuss about the magnetic substances. Okay. Or can say the types of magnets. The magnetic substances are classified into paramagnetic substance, to diamagnetic substances, 3 ferromagnetic substances, 4 antiferromagnetic substances, 5 ferrimagnetic substances. Okay, these are classified into 5 categories. One is paramagnetic substances, diamagnetic substances, ferromagnetic substances, antiferromagnetic substances, and ferrimagnetic substances. These are created due to the magnetic moments and due to the magnetic lines of force. Okay. First of all, we will discuss the paramagnetic substance. What is paramagnetic substance? Paramagnetic substance form. Paramagnetic substances are weakly attracted. These are weakly attracted by the magnetic lines of force due to the presence of on-pair electrons. On-pair electron presence थिबा जब एमान weakly attracted होथांती. These substances are weakly attracted by the magnetic lines of force. Now we will discuss about the diamagnetic substances. What are diamagnetic substances? Diamagnetic substances are weakly repelled. Diamagnetic substances. These are weakly repelled. By the magnetic lines of force due to the absence of on-pair electrons. These are weakly repelled by the magnetic lines of force. Okay. Now moving on to the ferromagnetic substances. These kind of magnets are strongly attracted. Ferromagnetic. Ferromagnetic substances are strongly attracted by magnetic lines of force. Strongly attracted. And these are permanently magnetized. These are permanently magnetized substances. And the magnetic lines are in the same direction. If these are the magnetic lines, these are in the same direction. The magnetic lines are same direction. Okay. These are all about the magnetic substances, or we can say the examples are iron, nickel, copper, etc. Okay. Ferromagnetic substances. Now we'll move to the antiferromagnetic substances. Antiferromagnetic substances. What are the antiferromagnetic substances? Here, the magnetic lines are oppositely aligned. The magnetic lines are oppositely aligned, and they are cancelled out with each other. They are cancelled out with each other, and so here the magnetic lines of force are zero. Okay. In antiferromagnetic substances, the magnetic lines are arranged in opposite direction. So here the magnetic force of attractions are zero. Okay. Next, ferromagnetic substances. Ferrimagnetic substances. These are also weakly attracted. They are also weakly attracted by the magnetic field, because there is an unequal number of domains. Okay, here the domains are unequal numbers. Okay, some of are they are opposite in direction. Some other are in upward direction, and some are in downward direction. So these are the weakly attracted by the magnetic field. Okay, these are all about the magnetic properties of the solid. Now moving on to the next topic, that is nearest neighbor of the constituent particles. And you know the constituent particles are atoms, ions, and molecules which are lies in the lattice point of the crystalline solid. Okay. Nearest neighbor. The distance between two nearest neighbor. Okay, and it is represented as d, and the radius of atom r. Okay, and also we can say the another one adds length a. In this topic, the distance between two nearest neighbors means here neighbors are the constituent particles. In a crystal, the constituent particles are the nearest constituent particles. What are the distance between two nearest neighbors? Means two constituent particles, atoms, whether it can be atom, ion, or molecule. Okay, it is represented as D, and the radius of an atom is R. You know, the eighth length of a cubic is A. Okay, first of all, we will discuss about it is categorized into three categories. And first of all, first one is simple cubic crystal or primitive cubic crystal, and the second one is body centered cubic crystal, and third one is face centered cubic crystal. Okay, simple or primitive cubic, next body centered cubic, or you can say BCC, third face centered cubic, FCC. Okay, first of all, we will discuss about the simple primitive cubic. प्रथम आम डिस्कशन करिया simple primitive cubic ऊपर. Simple cubic or primitive. Okay, देखो हम डायग्राम में ड्रॉ करेगा so that we can calculate is a cube. Suppose it is a cube. You know that the constituent particles would have atoms, ions, and molecules are arranged at the corners of the cube. Here हम देखिए पाउछे जे आठटा कॉर्नर एठी, प्रत्येक कॉर्नर रे गोटे constituent particles थाए. Okay, suppose this one is the constituent particle. Okay, हम देख पार गोटे सिंपल क्यूबिक क्रिस्टल रे द constituent particles गुडा केमती अरेंज होई थांते. तला सपोज ए एटम एरा सब हम एटम बोली कहि परिबा. आ ए देखो हम प्रत्येक हम एरा को एज बोली कहि परिबा. ए एज को ए बोली हम नै परिबा ए. ओके, एडी जदि हम कैलकुलेशन करिबा सिंपल क्यूबिक क्रिस्टल रे द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू नियरेस्ट नेबर्स. Okay, distance between two nearest neighbors. देखो ये nearest neighbor दीटा atom एटी पाखापाखी अछंती. Neighbor means पाखापाखी थिबा पाखापाखी atom दीटा अछंती. एमानक भितर distance केते? एटा होछि तार distance. This is the distance. एठो हम distance calculate कर परिबा from the center of the sphere, from the center of the sphere, from the center of the sphere. ताल ऑलरेडी हम याको a बोली नीचे जे प्रत्येक रो एज समान गोटे क्यूबिक क्रिस्टल रे ए डिस्टेंस को आको कहबा हमें r रेडियस आ कहबा हमें r. ओके, आको कहबा टोकाटा को d बोली कहबा. हियर एटी प्रत्येक बाहु समान से पे हमें द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू नियरेस्ट नेबर d इक्वल टू a. इट कोन हो प्रिमिटिव रे और सिंपल क्यूबिक क्रिस्टल रे द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू नियरेस्ट atoms, ions, and molecules are d equal to a. Okay, the distance between two nearest neighbor is equal to the edge length of the cube. हैला एठी हम जब रेडियस कैलकुलेशन करिबा r equal to d by 2. you know that dita radius रो एडिशन रे गोटे d थियरी. so r equal to d by 2. here r equal to d by 2. Okay, d by 2 or here or you can say that r equal to A by 2. This is all about the simple cubic, the nearest neighbor, the distance between two nearest neighbor, and the radius of an atom. Radius of an atom, radius calculation करिबा d by 2 और a by 2 edge length रो edge length को divide करिबा 2 रे ताले हम radius calculation पाई परिबा. ओके, एठी हम d इक्वल एठी हम पहले d इक्वल टू a, r इक्वल टू d by 2 और a by 2. Here d इक्वल टू distance between two nearest neighbor, a इक्वल टू the edge length of the atom, edge length of the cube, r equal to radius of the sphere. Okay, this is all about the nearest neighbor, the distance between two nearest neighbor, and the radius of the simple cubic or trigonometry. Okay, बर्तमान देखिए बॉडी सेंटर क्यूबिक रे डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू नियरेस्ट नेबर केते. In body center or BCC, you know that in body center cubic the constant particles are present at 8 corners and at the body and the center of the crystalline solid, at the body of the crystalline solid. Okay, I am going to diagram draw करूँगा. The constituent particle I'm arranged for the constituent particles would have the atoms are at the corners as well as at the center of the cube. Okay, जदि गोटे imaginary line draw करिबा जदि एटा तार एठी हमर क्यूबिक क्रिस्टल टा स्फीयर टा एठी अछि ताहले okay देखिए बोलछे the constituent particles देखो constituent particles जब गोटे इमेजिनरी हम क्वालिटी एटम्स बॉडी सेंटर गोटे एटम एक गोटे एटम अछि. ओके, सपोज आका में नबा a b c आका में d नबा एक गोटे लाइन टाइमबा. ओके, एटी देखिबा जे बॉडी सेंटर रे हमर d इक्वल टू केते हो डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू नियरेस्ट नेबर्स, डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू नियरेस्ट नेबर्स आर ad by 2. ओके, ad by 2 हम कैलकुलेशन करी. एटी आउट जिंस हम देखा पाउछे एते दीटा में ट्रायंगल देखा पाउछे. गोटे ABC ट्रायंगल एंड ACD ट्रायंगल. दीटा ट्रायंगल हम देखा पाउछे एंड these are right angle triangle, two right angle triangles. गोटा कोन ABC आ गोटे ACD दीटा हम ट्रायंगल देखा पाउछे. ओके, दीटा राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. एठी हम कैलकुलेशन करबा जदि AD इक्वल टू हम D इक्वल टू AD by 2 दीटा राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल हम एठी पाइले. ABC हम जानि से एठी हमर एज लेंथ का A होबो सब जगह रे हमर एज लेंथ A प्रत्येक जगह रे एज लेंथ गोटे क्यूबिक रो x एना गोटे क्यूबिक रो प्रत्येक बाहु वर्ग समान हैला. हम कैलकुलेशन करिबा एबीसी त्रिभुज देखिबा इन एबीसी ट्रायंगल here AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. That implies AC square equal to AB रो value होची A रो square plus BC रो value होची A. That implies AC square equal to 2A square. Okay, हमें देखिए पहुंचे कि 2A square. Then here AC equal to हम देखिबा √2A. कहना AC रो एठी हम वर्गमूल बाहर करबा AC equal to √2A. AC रो वैल्यू आसला हमर √2A. ओके, ए AC रो वैल्यू आसला √2A. एबार देखिया पहुंचे आउ गोटे ट्रायंगल जोटा कि हमें ACD ट्रायंगल कौन होछ देखिया. In ACD triangle, AD square equal to AC square plus BC square or CD square or CD square cancel. That implies AD square equal to AC रो वैल्यू हम जानते √2A रो स्क्वायर प्लस CD रो वैल्यू होची A बा A स्क्वायर हम नहीं पाइबा काना CD रो वैल्यू A CD रो स्क्वायर अछि A स्क्वायर रे. That implies AD square equal to हम देखिबा √2 into √2 equal to 2A square plus A square. ओके, ताहले हमरा AD स्क्वायर आसला 3A square. AD square equal to 3A square. That implies AD equal to कौन आसबो √3A. ओके, AD equal to √3A. AD equal to हम कौन आसला √3A. हला ऑलरेडी हम जानि छे हमरा D equal to तो डिस्टेंस हमें कैलकुलेशन कर परिबा D equal to AD by 2. So the distance between two nearest neighbors equal to √3A by 2 distance, and radius equal to R equal to √3A by 2 into radius equal to हम जाने से R equal to D by 2 or A by 2. ओके, R equal to कितना आसबो √3 by 2 by 2 or into half √3A by 4. Okay, so distance between two nearest neighbors in the BCC equal to √3A by 2, and the radius R equal to √3A by 4. Okay, this is all about the body center cubic, the nearest neighbor, the distance between two nearest neighbors, and the radius of body center cubic. Now moving on to the FCC, face center cubic. In face center cubic or FCC, face center cubic or FCC, the nearest neighbors, the distance between two nearest neighbors, and the radius and edge length आम कैलकुलेशन करिया पड़िबो. ऑलरेडी हम जानि छे जे गोटे फेस सेंटर क्यूबिक रे तार constituent particles are arranged at 8 corners and 6 faces of the cube. 6टा फेस रे हम पाई परिया तार कांस्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल्स आउ 8 atoms at each corners in each 8 corners. Okay, तो डायग्राम करिया. सपोज एटा गोटे क्यूब एटी हम कौन करिया जे फेस सेंटर हम देखा पाइबा. ओके, जे प्रत्येक कांस्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल्स आर अरेंज्ड एट 8 corners. 8 corner हम देखा पाइबा and also at 6 faces of the cube. ओके, जदि एटी हम ऊपर भाग गोटे स्पेस करिबा अपवर्ड में okay, suppose there are axis here is arranged. हला suppose एक ट्रायंगल हम गोटे नबा. suppose A B C triangle, ABC triangle. okay, एटी हम देखिया पाइबा the distance between two nearest neighbor एटी कोन हो. here D equal to आसीबा हमरो AB by 2 देखिया पाछे जे एटी आर वाला सेंटर एटी सेंटर जे पाखा पाखी दीटा डिस्टेंस AB by 2 हमरा आसीबो. AB by 2 हेले दीटा पाखा पाखी एई कांस्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल किबा एई कांस्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल भितर डिस्टेंस. अदरवाइज हम एई कांस्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल भितर डिस्टेंस हम कैलकुलेशन करते हैं. D equal to AB by 2. एटा हम देखि पाछे एक ट्रायंगल फॉर्मेशन हेछि हमरो ABC ट्रायंगल. ओके, ABC ट्रायंगल रे हम देखबा ABC ट्रायंगल एठी राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल एटा मध्ये गोटे ए राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल रे इन ABC ट्रायंगल रे हम देखिया पाउछे ABC रे हम देखिबा जे AB स्क्वायर इक्वल टू कोन आसीबो AC स्क्वायर इन ABC ट्रायंगल. AB स्क्वायर इक्वल टू AC स्क्वायर प्लस BC स्क्वायर. ओके, AB स्क्वायर इक्वल टू AC रो वैल्यू हम जानि छै A, BC रो वैल्यू A, प्रत्येक एडजसेंट रो वैल्यू होचे A स्क्वायर. AC रो वैल्यू A स्क्वायर, AC रो वैल्यू A तार स्क्वायर A स्क्वायर, BC रो वैल्यू A स्क्वायर. ओके, दैट इंप्लाइज AB स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 2A स्क्वायर. ओके, 2A स्क्वायर हम पाइले. दैट इंप्लाइज AB इक्वल टू 2A root over root 2A. ओके, AB को हम कोन पाइले root 2A. पहले ऑलरेडी हम जानि छै जे गोटे D इक्वल टू हमरा आस्तेला D इक्वल टू AB by 2 हम जानि छै. D इक्वल टू AB by 2 हमें तार डिस्टेंस कैलकुलेशन करिबा. डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू नियरेस्ट नेबर AB रो वैल्यू हमरा आस्तेला root 2A by 2 आर वैल्यू बाहर करिया गले root 2A by 2 टका हमें डिवाइड कर दबा. root 2 into root 2 कटला A by root 2. okay, the distance between two nearest neighbor A equal to D equal to A by root 2. एक हम लिख दबा D equal to A by root 2. okay, एठी हमें रेडियस कैलकुलेशन करिबा. रेडियस इक्वल टू R इक्वल टू D by 2. ओके, R equal to D by 2. तो D रो वैल्यू हमरा आसिला A by root 2 by 2 नो करी हम कोन करा 1 हाफ कर दबा so that we will get A by 2 root 2. A by 2 root 2 and radius R equal to A by 2 root 2. okay, distance between two nearest neighbor distance एक ही तो डिस्टेंस से मान भीतर तार वैल्यू पड़े आसला a by root 2 a by root 2 pi परिवा radius equal to a by 2 root. A by 2 root. This is all about the distance between two nearest neighbors in the cubic crystal. In simple cubic, face centered cubic, body centered cubic, distance between two nearest neighbors and the radius of the atoms. I hope all of you understand. Thank you.